Good morning, teacher. I am José Camacho, and I'm going to talk about the cutting down forest. It is known that we can get a lot of things from trees, starting with the fact that some trees give us fruit, such as apple, avocados, walnuts, orange, etc. Also, the tree's leaves can be used to create oils. The bark is used to obtain the wood itself or some dyes. And so I can tell you a lot of things that we can extract to the trees. But have we ever realized how many trees are cut down to create these objects in compared to how many are planted to maintain a balance? Haven't we? First of all, the percentage of plantation that exists is much longer than the cut down of trees that exist throughout the world. And this is because most people are selfish and only want the personal benefit. Even removing all the trees that exist in land to build large buildings and thus profit from them. The trouble comes from not replanting the same number of trees or more than those that we remove. Secondly, trees are the greatest air purifiers. Trees, together with ecosystems, they can absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, which is why they are called lungs of the planet. And as is known, there is constantly smoke from factories, cars, tobacco, and this is where the trees protect us from all these impurities. But we don't have many trees, so the smoke will take over the earth. Finally, the trees can collect large amounts of water. This to avoid landslides. That is, the trees provide a stability that the land must have between water and dryness. Now, there are large amounts of rainfall, and by not having trees that can protect the floor from this rain, they don't have a balance, causing large landslides and floor degradation. In conclusion, we must plant more trees. Have the phrase, if you could one, plant two, and thus protect the only planet we must live on. Let's give our poor planet a future. Thank you so much for listening.